In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Nvidia control panel display settings, so let's get started. On your Windows Start button, just type in the device manager and just open this up. Now you should be able to go and see display adapters and expand that one. You should be able to see Nvidia graphics card. I'm not currently using that one, so I cannot see that, but on your end you should be able to see that. And if you didn't see that, then maybe Nvidia graphics card is not connected properly. So the second thing that you're going to do is to click arrow button, and you should be able to see the GeForce experience. So again, I'm not be able to show the actual one, but I will instruct you on what to do. So you have to click GeForce experience and then go to drivers in the top left, click download, and once done, select install. So that is going to update your Nvidia graphics card. If that still didn't work, then you have to go to search again and just type in services. Here you have to scroll down and look for Nvidia Display Container LS and Nvidia Local System Container. You have to right click and click on the properties. You need to go to startup type and just hit automatic. Now for the service status, if stop is selected, then just select start. That's how you can do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.